In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new line in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to place multiple lines of text inside a single cell, this is a simple trick that can make your spreadsheet look much cleaner and easier to read. It's especially useful when you're adding notes, addresses, labels, or any content that needs to be separated without moving into a different cell. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to make this change. Once you're in the sheet, find the cell where you want to add multiple lines of text. Instead of just clicking it once, double-click directly on that cell. This is important because it puts the cell into edit mode, which allows you to type and control where your text appears inside the same cell. Now go ahead and type your first line of text. This can be anything you want to appear at the top of the cell. At this point, if you press enter by itself, Google Sheets will usually finish editing the cell rather than create a new line, so you'll want to use a keyboard shortcut instead. After typing the first line, press Alt and Enter at the same time. This inserts a line break within the cell, allowing you to continue writing on a new line without leaving the cell. It's a very handy shortcut and the key step in this process. Once you've done that, type your second line of text. You should now see both lines displayed inside the same cell, one underneath the other. That's all it takes to create a multi-line entry in Google Sheets. If the text looks a little cramped, keep in mind that the cell size may need to adjust visually depending on how much content you've added. In many cases, Google Sheets will display the line break clearly once the cell is selected or expanded. So just make sure you're editing the correct cell and using the shortcut while still in edit mode. This is a quick formatting technique, but it can make a big difference when you want information to stay organized in one place instead of spreading across multiple cells. It helps preserve the structure of your sheet while making the content more readable. And that's how to start a new line in Google Sheets. Once you know this shortcut, adding neatly formatted text inside a single cell becomes fast and easy.